美國心臟協會嘅定義，心臟衰竭係指心臟呢個重要器官，尤其是泵血功能已經失效，冇辦法為身體其他組織及器官提供血液。所謂嘅心臟病發，準確嚟講應該為心肌梗死，屬於循環系統問題。當循環系統堵塞或者其他原因冇辦法為心臟肌肉供血，心肌就會壞死。而心臟驟停同心肌梗死唔同，屬於體內電子干擾問題。當你嘅心率過快、紊亂，而且冇辦法為心臟有效供血，身體就會突然崩潰。心臟病通常伴隨住胸痛、頭暈、惡心或者嘔吐等症狀，而心臟驟停則冇任何症狀。心臟疾病雖會致命，但健康嘅飲食、經常運動、定期身體檢查、控制血脂同埋血糖都可以有效預防。
而家坐喺我身邊咧，就係嚟自東華醫院嘅 Stuart Fong。咁 Stuart 究竟喺東華醫院做啲咩咧？而家同佢傾一傾偈。Stuart，how are you? Thanks
Good.
for coming to the show.
Thank you for having me.
First of all, tell us about yourself.
Well, I work here at Chinese Hospital. I have various roles. I work as an infection control preventionist, as the employee health coordinator, community health benefit for the hospital.
咁 Stuart 咧就喺東華醫院嗰度做嘢啦。咁佢嘅 title 咧嗰個工作咧就叫做感染控制專員。咁究竟感染控制專員係做啲咩嘅咧 ？So what do you do as a infection control employee health coordinator? Sounds like it's a long name.
Well, basically, we do a lot of surveillance on patients who come in. If they have any infections, what antibiotics they're on, and just ensuring that we're not spreading any disease or infections to other patients or staff.
So how about the employee health part?
That's just basically reviewing their physical exams for new employees. The hospital provides annual influenza shots. We have to do other TB screenings for employees.
嗱，基本上嚟講咧，感染控制專員咧就係話，當病人入到嚟嘅時候咧，就 make sure 啲病人咧佢係冇將佢嘅病菌咧係傳播咗去社區啊等等。咁而至於內部員工嚟講咧，啱啱請嘅咧，亦都要經過Stuart 嘅部門咧，就係負責令佢哋幫佢哋做身體檢查啊。每年咧亦都係會有啲譬如話打針啊之類咧，確保咧裏面嘅員工咧都係得到健康嘅照顧嘅。咁除咗咧就做呢一個感染控制嘅部分之外啦，咁其實 Stuart 咧亦都有好多嘅外展嘅工作啦。我哋問一問佢咧，就係呢個外展咧係做緊啲乜嘢啦 ？So besides the infection control, I know you have some outreach programs going on. Can you tell us more about that?
Sure. So at the hospital, my other function or other role that I have is as the community benefits for the hospital. So I do community health outreach. And so one of the programs we engage in is with the San Francisco Hep B Free campaign. Hepatitis B is the largest Asian health disparity that afflicts Asians compared to the general population. And so unfortunately, San Francisco being 37% Asian, we have the highest incidence of liver cancer. Number one cause of liver cancer is hepatitis B. So San Francisco Hep B Free has partnered with Chinese Hospital. We are able to provide free screenings for individuals. We provide counseling. We have a vaccine program that we're able to distribute to the community. But most of all, it's the education and awareness that we want to bring about so that everybody can be screened and protected from hepatitis B.
So what's the name of the program again?
It's SF Hep B Free campaign.
OK。咁而家 Stuart 咧就係做緊一個咧就係減少乙型肝炎嘅一個嘅 campaign，就叫做 SF Hep B Free。咁咧就係服務環社區呢個咧活動咧都係同東華醫院咧就係一齊合作去做嘅。咁你知道咧喺華人嚟講呢個社區咧就都有好多人咧感染呢一個嘅乙型肝炎，而我哋三藩市咧有成37% 咧都係亞裔華人啦。咁所以嚟講咧等社區裏邊注意到呢一個乙型肝炎亦都非常之重要。咁所以呢個咧都係一個非常之重要嘅其中一件嘅外展工作嚟嘅。So Stuart, how about yourself? Tell us about your childhood. Which school did you go to?
Well, I was born here at Chinese Hospital. So I have a long legacy here. My father was born here at Chinese Hospital. My grandparents received services here at Chinese Hospital. And my children are part of CCHP, so I have 4 generations connected to Chinese Hospital.
Wow, so what do you think about that now?
I think it's pretty good. Anytime that you can have a whole family stay within one medical system is exciting and interesting.
嗱，Stewart 咧原來咧就係嚟自 Chinatown 唐人埠長大嘅小朋友嚟嘅。咁不但只係咁咧，而且咧仲有咧就係4代咧都係同東華醫院咧非常之有淵源啦。因為點解咧？嗱，佢自己本身喺東華醫院出世啦，爸爸啦、祖父啦都喺東華醫院嗰度出世嘅，甚至乎佢而家嘅小朋友咧都係喺呢一個 CCHP 嘅計劃裏邊啦。喺一個東華醫院嘅照料之下咧，令到 Stewart 咧感覺上咧就係話即係覺得係呢個社區裏邊咧係不可或缺嘅一份子，覺得喺呢個東華醫院裏邊咧就係亦都令到佢自己嘅家人咧就能夠健康成長。So after you graduate from medical school, why you choose come back to the community?
Well, I think it's important because I have attachment here to the community. I still have family who live in Chinatown. It's my way of giving back to the community. This is where I grew up. I've been to several hospitals. This is a true community hospital because it was built for the people and by the people of San Francisco and Chinatown. And I think it allows me to reconnect with my heritage.
嗱，Stewart 咧佢選擇翻嚟呢個社區嘅原因咧，就係覺得佢喺度長大，生於斯長於斯。佢覺得咧就係話同華人嘅社區咧，始終嚟講咧都係一個係緊密嘅聯繫，翻嚟嘅時候咧，就能夠好幫翻自己華人社區，亦都咧係好開心、好樂意喺度服務。雖然咧佢中文咧就都係差少少，但係佢仍然非常之願意服務呢個華人社區嘅。But you understand people when they talk Chinese, right?
聽唔識講。
So I think a lot of people who grow up here have the same problem. 識聽 but 唔識講。But you're pretty good. At least you can listen to what people say. 今日非常之多謝咧 Stewart 啦喺度接受我哋嘅訪問啦。咁其實我哋嘅時間亦都差唔多。So thanks for coming to our show and thanks for sharing your story with us.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
天然糖係指食物本身含有嘅糖分，例如水果同蔬菜中嘅果糖同牛奶中嘅乳糖。而添加糖係指食物喺生產過程當中所添加嘅白糖、果糖、玉米糖漿同葡萄糖等。有家長認為佢哋嘅小朋友已經好少食零食，但係點解小朋友嘅飲食依然咁高糖分呢？答案係食物當中含有添加糖。從化學角度嚟睇，水果中嘅果糖同添加糖中嘅果糖係冇分別嘅，但係從營養角度嚟睇就完全唔一樣啦。如果你食生果，除咗吸收果糖之外，仲會吸收維他命 A、維他命 C 同埋纖維。但係如果你食添加果糖，你吸收嘅只會有熱量而冇任何營養。所以你下次買零食嘅時候就要記住睇清楚成分標籤上邊有冇添加糖啦。即使標籤上邊寫住係天然蔗糖，但佢一樣係添加糖嚟㗎。
全新嘅東華醫院有佢最新嘅設備，裏邊嘅工作人員每一個亦都有佢哋自己個人嘅故事。喺下次嘅節目時間，我哋再同大家繼續發掘。再會。
由 KTSF 26台及東華醫院聯合製作嘅《聚焦東華》，由東華醫院特約贊助播出。